So you want to win some muscle cars? Well, check this out. Here are the muscle cars we're giving away. Matchbox muscle cars in our subscriber follower basket. It's just a giveaway if you're a subscriber or you follow us on Facebook or Instagram or here on the tubes. If you follow us on all three, you'll have 3 chances to win it. But it's just a thank you. A popcorn basket, so when you're watching the show, you're good. Trophy, because you're number 1. And muscle cars. Different kinds. And we're going to add some things, I'm sure, as we keep going. But just little trinkets and just a way to say thank you. Really cool shirt. You know, have the day you deserve. I mean, we're being friendly. But this is for you guys. For hanging in there and watching and enjoying what we do. My way of saying thank you. And, you know, some of you guys might smash the Fords or smash the Chevys. It's up to you. It's whatever you want to do. Take them out, play with them. Give them to your kids. Whatever you want to do. So there's no purchase necessary. You know the whole deal. You like us on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. Get 3 chances. It's just a thank you for you guys following us along. And it's void wherever we can do it. Void in foreign territories or where it's not applicable. Yeah, all that good stuff. I mean, it's just free. Just a thank you. We're going to randomly draw a name from our subscriber follower list from all 3 pages. We'll get them all together, spin a little internet wheel, it'll give us a name. And maybe it's somebody I know. So, get in there. Like, comment, share, do all that good stuff. But thank you.